No, no, no. Ouch. That's too hard. Don't do that.
Ouchie.
Yeah, on the grass it is. Do that on the trampoline. Or on the bouncy thing. The bouncy thing when we're at the bouncy thing. That works. No, that's blackberries. Very ouchy thing. That's not a bouncy thing, that's an ouchy thing. Yeah.
I'll show you how to play.
Okay, I'm watching.
I'll show you how to play.
I'm watching.
How do you play it, Max?
I can't do that.
That's me.
Just you can do it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, now I know. Let's do something else.
I'll show you how to play.
You want to go sit? Oh, slug!
What?
Slug.
Oh, I thought you said slog. I'm like, what?
Next. Slug!
It's a slog.
I'm gone.
All right. Number 9. That's a bigger one than normal.
Rah. Usually it's 4.
Yeah.
Max, I'm a banana.
I am fruit.
I'm a banana.
I am fruit.
I'm a banana.
I'm fruit. I'm fruit. I'm fruit. I'm fruit. I'm fruit.
I'm a banana. Max. Who's asking what that was?
Yay!
Max, I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
I'm fruit. I'm fruit. I'm fruit.
Can you whip your hair back and forth, Max? He says he can't.
Oh, he almost caught it.
Yeah, I was catching.
Yeah.
Jump into apple. And this one is